Oh, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart here again, and just to let you know, I'm in a new routine now, so I'm going to post videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday, so that's my new routine. Look out for them on a Tuesday and a Thursday. And thank you to all my new subscribers. We're up at 587 at the moment, so heading through the 600 barrier soon. And yeah, in order to help me bring content, please, if you could thumbs up the video for me, I'd really appreciate it. I'm doing more work these days and less time for videos, but if we can get the subscribers up, it'll make it more worth my while to bring you more content. So if you could thumbs up, that'd be fantastic. And yeah, a couple of interesting things for you today. I'm looking at the silver price and the charts at the moment. A few people asking me what charting software I'm using. This is my CMC account. It's a trading platform, but I find it's fantastic for charting, and it gives me the facilities to draw what I like, really. Very few of them have the facility, so yeah, check out CMC. You can create an account and start trading if you like. Please don't take my channel as kind of trading advice or anything. It's just for interest. There are various regulations, blah blah blah. Anyway, not very interested in that. What I wanted to show you today is we're in very dangerous territory with silver at the moment, and this is going to be a very generic overview of the silver market. As you can see, if I go out to the weekly chart, we've been in a continual downtrend now for quite a while. So yeah, so we've got this type of thing happening. We've been on a fall since 2012 here. We've been moving down, and really in this trading range. And of course there's a lot more pressure the further down you go. And what we're talking about here is this $16 range. Now, I've drawn a box round 16 and I've drawn a line through, and you can see that the trading between, say, mid-October and mid-January all traded around the $16 mark. So we've gone below it here, above it, really below it, above it, below it, above it, and it was all trading around $16. And we had a bit of a rally following a bit of world news on Russia and Greece and various other things that rallied the price up to about 18.5. Now I want you to really notice the round numbers. The reason that this stalled here was at the 18.5 mark. So if I draw in 18.5, you can see that it touched 18.5 and then fell from there. Now, so really in recent times the channel has been between 15 and 18.5. Now we're coming down to 16 here as a round number, and as you can see we touched it and then came off it. I'm going to drill down a little bit more. So as you can see here, 16 is here, we came down towards it and then we've rallied off it. Now this particular bounce here, you could call it a dead cat bounce or something, not sure, but it kind of had no momentum really, and then we've continued to trade in this rising wedge pattern since. So I think it's pretty dangerous at the moment, I would say, and possible that we could retest this 15.5. You see here, we've bounced off 15.5, we've bounced. If this 15.5 handle doesn't hold, we could do this similar spike type situation down. This almost went to $14. Just to show you the magnitude of this candle here, it Let's have a quick look what it'll tell us about this candle. So it opened at 15.3, it went up to 16.8, it went up 1.2 for 1.5 for the day, and then it fell to 14.2. So its highest point it was 16.8 and its lowest point was 14.2. So it fell 2.6 in a day, from 16.8 to 14.2. It just shows you the volatility of silver when it wants to. Now, if we have a look on the 1 hour chart, we're seeing, let me just get rid of this. So we're seeing a little constriction here around this, what's called funneling, and that means that there's going to be some sort of significant move. Normally when it constricts, playing up a little bit this now, when it constricts a little bit like this, then that normally means there's going to be some sort of significant move. I'm not quite sure which way, but I know that we are going to look at a retest, I think, in the next few days. So it's possible it might bounce straight off this 16, but if the 16 handle does not hold, then, and we start retesting the 15.5 level, then it could be pretty dangerous. I'd be really surprised but not shocked if it gets below this support line. This is really significant territory if it gets towards this. Normally it would bounce off. Let's have a quick look. I don't want to get too technical, but I do find it very interesting. If I put the fibs in here, I think the lowest that we're going to hit is this first fib at 15. We've got fibs at 15, 15.5 and 16, so don't want to bore you too much with all that. You know, it can get too complex really, but it's interesting to see that the fibs are on the 15, 15.5 and 16 on this particular drawing between those high and low. So anyway, I'll summarise that a little bit later. Today I want to have a quick look at the America the Beautiful series. The reason I've looked at this series this morning is because Silver to Go, which is our VAT free option in the UK, have got 6 coins in this series, and the mintages for this series are pretty low. They're all under 150,000 coins per coin, and they're doing a few of the older coins. The series, just show you this quick wiki. America the Beautiful coins, there are a series of bullion coins with a face value of $0.25. They contain 5 troy ounces of silver, making them the largest silver bullion coins ever issued by the US Mint. Can't talk this morning. The design of the coins duplicate exactly, though enlarged, each of the American the Beautiful quarters, and they've been issued since 2010. Blah blah blah. They're resold at the discretion of the Director of the National Park Service. So have a look at this Wikipedia article when you get a chance. It's quite interesting, and if you have a look at the mintages on some of these coins, as you can see, the highest mintage is 126,700 coins, and there's quite a few years that have significant key value, like for example the inaugural year was 33,000 of these, so they're going to be a very key year. But even the ones that are the higher mintages are only still 100,000, 126,000. So I had a quick look at the ones that are on the Silver to Go website, and although they're quite high mintage on the Glacier and the Olympic, which is two of the older coins they've got, they're still, in relative terms, low mintage really. And this coin series, because it's patriotic and it's about the beauty of America, I think it's going to do well in subsequent years. So I think it's a very good deal. There's an Everglades coin that they're currently selling from 14 that's only got 34,000 mintage, and I think my pick of the day is the Utah Archers 2014 coin, which is going to be a key date, 22,000 coins minted. So actually I don't think the Archers one's on here. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, I think probably today I'm going to go for this Everglades coin. It's 34,000 minted. They're wanting £75.49 for this coin. So if I were you, I'd get a few coins together and add this one to your collection. 34,000 in this particular coin, 5 ounces of silver at 75 quid. So let me do the quick maths on that. My brain's not working very well today. 75.5 divided by 5, you're getting at £15 an ounce, which is fantastic value really. So yeah, that's my pick of the day. Silver to Go, America the Beautiful. Buy a few coins while you're on there in order to get the most out of your £10 shipping. And yeah, careful. I think that we're going to get a really fantastic buying opportunity coming up soon. I think we could see a very low price. I don't think we're going to see 14.2 again, but we might see 15. So yeah, we'll see how that pans out, and obviously it's all depending on the news. I feel like I've waffled on a bit on this video today, but watch those round numbers, check out the America the Beautiful coins on Silver to Go, and have a look at the Wikipedia on it on the main Wikipedia site. And please like, subscribe and comment, and that's all for now. Take care, speak soon and stack smart.